Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your home and garden. Today, we're excited to introduce you to what we believe is the ultimate solution for your pest problems, the Kaxilu Mole and Gopher Repellent. If you're looking for the best tags and mole remover, you've come to the right place. This innovative product is designed to keep those pesky moles, gophers, and voles away from your lawn and garden. It's not just a repellent, it's a comprehensive defense system that works effectively to drive these critters away without causing any harm to your pets or plants. The Kaxilu Mole Repellent comes in convenient balls that are easy to use. Simply dig a small hole, place the repellent inside, and lightly water it. It immediately starts emitting a scent that creates a protective barrier around your garden. It's all about using their sensitive senses against them. One of the standout features of this repellent is its long-lasting effect. It provides up to 3 months of powerful protection, which means fewer worries for you while keeping your yard safe from digging and tunneling. Whether it's rain or shine, this formula is designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for any gardener. Safety is also a priority with Kaxilu. This mole repellent is completely safe for use around children, pets, grass, and plants. So, you can enjoy your outdoor spaces without worrying about harmful chemicals. It's perfect for families who want a pest-free environment without compromising safety. Versatility is another key advantage of this product. Whether you have a garden, a lawn, a flower bed, or even a backyard, this repellent works effectively in a range of outdoor areas. It's a versatile solution that offers broad protection against moles and other burrowing pests. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that many people are already experiencing success with this repellent. It's available in packs of 8, making it a practical option for comprehensive coverage of your outdoor spaces. If you're tired of dealing with mold damage and are looking for a natural, effective way to protect your yard, the Kaxilu Mole and Gopher Repellent is definitely worth considering. With its powerful formulation and user-friendly application, it's an excellent choice for anyone wanting to maintain a beautiful garden without the worry of unwanted guests. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you want to learn more about this amazing mole repellent, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews that can enhance your home and garden. See you next time.